Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into Emergent AI, a tool that claims to help you build full apps without writing a single line of code. I'll cover the feature, real user experience, pricing, and whether it's actually worth your time and money. And as always, this isn't a sponsored video, just my real experience and research so you can make a better choice. So Emergent AI is basically an app builder designed for anyone who want to create software using just a simple chat. In short, it helps you build working web and mobile applications just by typing what you want in plain English. The company has been improving fast, recently raising $23 million and reaching $15 million in yearly sales. This is where Emergent AI stands out. You can type your app idea in normal words, and the AI builds the whole front end, back end, and even sets up the database. The interface is pretty simple. To understand, it works with GitHub, so you can save your code there. I've made a few projects on my other personal account, and in my experience, it works very well for small projects like a landing page or something very simple application. Sometimes it gets confused with harder stuff, but that's totally normal for AI tools. Compared to other tools like Lovable or Bolt, Emergent is better for beginner because it handles more stuff automatically. But tools like Replit gives you more control if you know how to code. To get started, let's create a simple project. Let's pick a habit tracker for now. They have given me a simple prompt. Build a habit tracker with daily checkbox, streak tracking, calendar view, and local storage. Use clean, mobile-friendly Notion style UI with soft colors, progress indicators, and light and dark mode toggle. It's a very simple prompt. Let's go ahead and see how it goes. So Emergent uses something very cool called multi-agent AI. This means different AI workers handle different jobs. Like one AI plans your app, another writes the code, and another tests your software. This team approach makes the building process faster and smarter. You can watch the AI agent work together in a real time, which is pretty amazing. If you're building a business tool or testing ideas quickly, this feature saves you a lot of time. Emergent lets you build both mobile application and website, which not all AI builders can do. The Pro plan unlocks mobile app feature, and you can build apps for iPhone and Android without learning a single line of code. This is great for small business owner who want an application for the customers but don't have the money to hire a developer. To connect to GitHub, just go on your profile, tap on connect to GitHub, enter your credentials. I'm connecting my Google account. Tap on install and authorize. That's it. Pricing starts at $17 a month for standard plan with 100 credits a month, and the pro plan is $167, which gives you 750 credits. Plus, the board consists of mobile app features, faster machine. The team plan is $250 a month for sharing projects for up to 5 people. They also have a free plan with 10 credits to try it out. It's affordable for testing ideas and small project, but bigger project that needs a lot of changes can use up your credit very quickly. So keep that in mind when planning your budget. Here's what I liked about it. Super easy for anyone to start, even with zero coding skill. Build app by just chatting with AI in plain English. You own your code and export it to GitHub anytime. Works best with both web and mobile app. It has great community with tutorials and help guides. Multi-agent system makes building faster and smarter. 7th, perfect for testing business ideas quickly. But it's not perfect, and here are some of the things to watch out for. Credits run out faster than you expect, especially when you're fixing mistakes. AI sometimes makes an error and you spend a lot of credits fixing them. Third, for every big or complex apps, you might need extra help from a real developer. Finally, if you need total control over every detail or want to build a huge complex system, you might need to combine this with other tools. So who should use this? I'd say Emergent AI fits best for new entrepreneurs, small business owners, startup founders, and anyone learning to build apps. But if you're a big company with a very specific need or build a super advanced software, you might want to add a developer to your team to help fine tune things. Overall, I would rate Emergent AI an 8 out of 10. It's really solid for beginners and small teams who wants to build and test ideas fast without spending thousands of dollars on developers. The key takeaway, it's best if you want to launch your app quickly and learn as you go without dealing with complicated coding or hiring a full tech team. If you want to test Emergent AI, there's a free link with 5 credits in the description. It's an affiliate link, so I might earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It makes me make honest review like this one. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe and comment which tool I should review next. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.